Everyone is talking about GitHub Copilot, Cursor, and Claude Code, but they all cost money. What if I told you there's a completely free AI coding agent that lives right inside VS Code, reads your entire project, writes full files, runs terminal commands, and fixes its own bugs, all without paying a single dollar? It's called Cline, and in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to set it up for free using a free API key. Let's go! Cline is a fully open-source AI coding agent that runs inside VS Code. It supports dozens of AI models through providers like OpenRouter, Anthropic, OpenAI, and more. And because OpenRouter has completely free models, you can run Cline at zero cost. No credit card, no subscription. First, let's get your free OpenRouter API key. Go to OpenRouter.ai, click Sign Up at the top right. You can create a free account with your Google email. No credit card needed. Once you're logged in, go to the top left corner, then click API Keys option. Just delete any existing key, if already created. Now at the top right corner, click New Key. Give it a name, something like VS Code API, then click Create button. Copy that key and keep it somewhere safe. You'll need it in just a moment. Now here's the best part. Go to the Models page on OpenRouter and click the Free filter. You'll see a list of completely free models. Real, production-grade AI from NVIDIA, OpenAI, Google, Poolside, and more. These are the same model weights paying users get, just with rate limits. A quick heads up, the free model list changes often. DeepSeek, Gemini, and Mistral used to be free here, but as of now they're not. Always check this page before building anything. The ones available today include NVIDIA Nematron, OpenAI's open-source GPT model, Poolside Laguna, which is purpose-built for coding. Now let's install Cline. Open VS Code. Click the extensions icon on the left sidebar, or press Ctrl-Shift-X to open it. Search for Cline. It should appear at the very top. You'll see it's made by Cline, with over 1 million installs. Click Install and wait a few seconds for it to finish. Once installed, you'll see the Cline icon appear on your left sidebar. Click it to open the Cline panel. Cline will ask you to set up your API provider. This is where we connect it to OpenRouter. Click the API provider drop-down and select OpenRouter. Paste your OpenRouter API key into the field. Now click the model drop-down and search for your free models. You can search GPTOs for OpenAI's free open-source model, or just type free to see everything available. Click Save, and that's it. Cline is now connected to a free AI model and ready to write code for you. Let me show you what Cline can actually do. Now I'll go to the Cline panel and give it a task, just like texting an assistant. I'll ask Cline to build me a simple portfolio web page, just describing what I want in plain English. Watch what happens. Cline reads the project, decides what files to create, and starts writing them one by one, all on its own. It created the HTML file automatically. And now the CSS file. No copy pasting, no manual setup. Cline will ask for your approval before making changes. You stay in full control. Let's open the HTML file. And there it is. A complete portfolio page, written from scratch in about 30 seconds, using a completely free AI model. And this is just a simple example. Cline can build full web apps, fix bugs, refactor code, and even explain what it's doing at every step. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. I post beginner-friendly web dev and AI tutorials every week. Drop a comment below if you want me to show more things you can build with Cline.